What's up, guys? So back with another video, continuing my coverage of the S10, S10 Plus. So as you can see, I've been using the case that I tweeted out. I kind of like joked about this case, but it's cool because it gives you actual screen protection. And I got this, the ghetto rigged screen protector that came with it. My WhiteStone DomeGlass doesn't come until Monday. I'm not sure when this will air, but I picked up this will wet apply. And I'm going to attempt it. I mean, today's Saturday that I'm shooting it. It's at night. It's almost midnight. So I figure I can give this a shot. If worst comes to worst, I can go 2 days with this case. This will protect my screen. All right, so let's jump right into it. Obviously, let's get it out of the case. I'm going to drop links in the description where you can pick this up if it does work. I mean, this is a much cheaper solution than WhiteStone. If you do not care about, protecting the screen in a matter of like if it were to drop. This isn't going to protect from any kind of drops. You do get a few of them. I've reviewed this company in the past. They never really gave me anything. I shouldn't say really. They never gave me anything, period. I'm going to bring it up on Amazon real quick because I never know the prices of any of this stuff. And people always ask, would I get mad, I should say. All right, here we go. So I purchased it on March 6th. It's $8.98, and it was Prime when I bought it. I'm not sure if it still is, but I'll drop this down in the description so you can pick it up. So $8, a lot better than I heard they're going for like $70. And it looks like you get 1, 2, 3. It looks like you get 3 of them, which is pretty damn cool. All right, so this is the part where I'm a little, I don't want to say nervous. I really don't want to do it, is removing the built-in one, but here goes. I really don't want to do this because it has been working. Now gone. All right, so let's open up our little packet here. And get some usual jazz will be in here. These are the dust stickers, bunch of wipes, squeegee, gonna come in handy. A little microfiber, and apparently you get a lifetime warranty. We shall see how that all goes. Anyway, let's take a look what we got in here. I mean, is it front only or is it front and back? That'd be kind of cool. All right, so it's front only. All right, so whenever you do any kind of screen protector, this is any type, you want to get your alcohol wipes out. And you're going to give that screen a good cleaning. Phone could be brand new, never used, out of the box. And it could be all kind of contaminants from, wherever the phone is made, China, Korea. I think in this case, this phone is made in Korea, I think. I might be wrong. But, yeah, you want to get all type of contaminants off. I'm leaving my screen on. It really shouldn't matter. And you're going to use that. And then I'm going to use one of the dry cloths. You can use your own stock if you want of stuff. But this normally holds its own. And with this type of a screen protector, you don't have to be as perfect because you can pull it off. You're just going to use this stuff here. I'm going to take my ring off real quick here so we can rock this out. All right, so I'm going to call that it. We'll give it a little bit of a blow. Heavy ass chain hitting it. All right, we're gonna call that. I guess we can do it up proper. Yeah, rah. All right. Normally, I do wipes on it all with us. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera. Now this stuff is kind of hard to do in front of a camera because you're trying not to screw anything up. Like right there was a dust particle Like there was a dust particle. I think we're good. All right, now you want to get this open. You want to get a little bit on your hands. This way when you do pull this back, it comes off like that. Now this is a, what you call it, waterproof phone, so you really don't got to worry about it all too much. As you can see, I'm being pretty, what the hell? Oh, the hell am I doing? I'm sorry. And that didn't work like as expected. This is the part. All right, that didn't work as expected. But yeah, as you can see, I'm using a lot of water. Being very liberal with the water. I mean, you might as well, like I said, it's a waterproof phone. This way you can move this around and you can get a perfect install. At least I'm going to try to get this as perfect as I can, because this is going to be rocking out with me until I get my WhiteStone. Now, the minute I get my WhiteStone, that's the end of this stuff. And yeah, with the screen on, you can get a better idea. Like banking stuff is like popping up. All right, this is why you should do this with the screen off. But, all right, let's get that trusty squeegee. Just push some of that water out. That way we can get an idea how we lay. The lay of the land, so to speak here. All right. Now you're gonna wanna do like I'm doing. Just keep going along these edges. Remember, this is a water apply, so you might need to put some on top. Remember, waterproof phone. You don't need to worry about it too much. The idea here is to get this to stick down and not come up. There we go. I may edit this so that you guys can see if it works with the fingerprint. Like, I don't think I can test it in this kind of a situation. I most probably am going to edit this so you guys can see it in action if it does work. It's just unlocking because of my face, but you're going to get bubbles. I mean, if you did one of these, you did 100 of them. All right, guys, so I'm gonna finish this up. You guys got the basic idea of how this goes. I'm gonna finish this up and get all the bubbles out, and then I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna bring in the final touch. Probably gonna do it like tomorrow or something like that. So we're back, guys. We actually didn't have to wait till the next day. I actually hit it up. I got a pretty good little tip. Not sure if everybody does this, but if you use a hair dryer and you go along the edges, you can get them pretty good down. Now, you're not supposed to put it inside of a case until like a full 12 hours. Like that one corner there, I'm gonna fix. But the good news, well, if you see little bubbles, they're gonna come out within 24 hours. But the good news is it does work. Fingerprint sensor does work. I haven't re-added mine. You're supposed to do it whenever you do this kind of thing. But I mean, it does work just as good as it did with the other Samsung, with the Samsung screen protector rather. So it does work. I should re-add it, but as you can see, it does work. It's not complete failure. All right, so would I recommend this? I'd give it an 8. I mean, these aren't like real screen protectors that are going to protect it from, say, a drop, but these will protect you from scratches, keys, crap like that. So I give this a good 6 to an 8. You know, if you need something like this, this is great. Works. It's cheap. It's $8, not $70. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up. Share it around. Share it. This company that I've tested works. I'm not sure if they all do, but this one works 100%. All righty, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Laters.